Have you ever wondered why it's important to eat healthy? Let's take a journey into the fascinating world of nutrition, where the food we consume plays the leading role in our overall health and well-being. Our food is, quite literally, the fuel that powers us. Like a finely tuned sports car, our bodies need the right fuel to function optimally. The vitamins, minerals, and nutrients in healthy foods provide the energy we need to power through our day, carry out essential bodily functions, and even repair and grow new cells. But the journey doesn't stop there. The food we eat also has a profound impact on our brain. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like fish and walnuts are essential for brain health, impacting everything from memory and mood to cognitive function. So, you see, the food we eat isn't just about satisfying our taste buds. It's about keeping us healthy, fit, and functioning at our best. But what exactly are the benefits of eating healthy? Well, let's dive right in. The advantages of maintaining a healthy diet are numerous and have profound impacts on our lives. One of the most immediate effects you may experience is an improved mood. Consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help regulate neurotransmitters, the brain chemicals that influence our emotions. Next up, we have increased energy levels. Foods high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants can supercharge your energy, keeping you active and productive throughout the day. Better weight control is another significant benefit. A diet full of fiber-rich foods can keep you feeling satisfied, reducing the urge for unnecessary snacking and helping you maintain a healthy weight. On a broader scale, healthy eating contributes to improved longevity. By reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and cancer, a nutritious diet can add years to your life. Let's not forget about skin health. Foods rich in antioxidants and healthy fats can give you that youthful glow, promoting skin health and reducing the signs of aging. Moreover, a nutrient-rich diet can boost your immune system, preparing your body to fight off infections and diseases. And finally, healthy eating can even improve your sleep quality. Foods that are high in magnesium, like nuts and seeds, can enhance sleep duration and quality. Clearly, the benefits of eating healthy are numerous and can significantly improve our quality of life. So, what are the key points to remember about eating healthy? Let's dive in. The first thing we've learned is that eating healthy is crucial for both our physical and mental well-being. The foods we choose to consume can either nourish our bodies, giving us the nutrients and energy we need, or they can deplete us, leading to fatigue, poor concentration, and a host of health problems down the line. Secondly, the benefits of healthy eating are numerous. By fueling our bodies with whole, nutrient-dense foods, we can improve our heart health, maintain a healthy weight, and even reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. What's more, eating healthy can also boost our mood and cognitive function, keeping us feeling happy, focused, and mentally sharp. Lastly, it's important to remember that eating healthy doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. There are countless ways to incorporate healthy eating habits into our everyday lives, from meal planning and prepping to making simple swaps like choosing whole grains over refined ones, or opting to snack on fruits and veggies instead of processed foods. In conclusion, eating healthy is not just about the food on our plate, it's about making conscious choices that support our overall health and well-being. It's about fueling our bodies and minds with the nutrients they need to function at their best. Remember, the food we eat is so much more than just fuel. It's a vital component of our overall health and well-being, so make the choice to eat healthily. Your body and mind will thank you.